So I'm Mark from Organic Mechanics Soil Company, where we make organic potting soils, fertilizers, soil amendments. One of our products is our BioChar blend. And a lot of people ask me, what is BioChar? So BioChar itself, it's carbon, so it's pure carbon. It's been burnt in the absence of oxygen. And the smaller the particle size, the greater the surface area. So ours is pretty small particle size. The technology comes from the terra preta soils of the Amazon. So this is soil that is still highly productive, carbon dated to 1,000+ years ago. And this stuff still makes soil so incredibly productive. The crops that are grown in it do really well. So it is all about the quality with the BioChar, and you can go looking at a lot of stuff about BioChar. You can make it at home yourself, but that's not the same tech that's being made in a commercial facility, but still it can be BioChar. Our material that we get is very high quality grade, commercial grade. You could use it anywhere in a landscape architecture situation as well as the home garden. A lot of people say, well, what does it do? Why do I even want it, right? So BioChar itself, it's pure carbon and it holds moisture, it holds nutrients, and it's also a home for beneficial biology. When you look at BioChar underneath an electron microscope, it's just teeming with life. And so BioChar itself benefits the plants after you mix it into the soil. It's going to help increase root density. It's going to help those plants access more nutrients. It's the home for beneficial biology. And there's research that shows that when biochar is incorporated into the soil, plants can resist stress better. If you're growing fruit, vegetables, flowers, you've got an increase in quality of that fruit, as well as quality of the flowers. And with the cannabis growers that we've worked with, they've seen terpene levels rise, as well as other levels within the plant. So biochar itself, when it's raw, in that state, it should only be used for stormwater management, for a landscape contractor, a landscape architect. You really want it to be charged before you put it into your garden or you mix it into your potting soil. And that's because biochar has all these sites to hold on to nutrients, so we pre-charge it before you use it at home so that it's ready to go out of the bag. And that's our biochar blend. The ingredients are compost, worm castings, kelp meal, alfalfa meal. There's bone char in there, a volcanic ash deposit known as azomite. There's also zeolite in there as well. So all those ingredients mixed together charge up the product and it's ready to use. So all you have to do if you're adding it to a vegetable garden, add a 1/2-inch layer, mix it in 1 shovel depth. You're done. And it's a lifetime soil amendment. You don't ever have to add it again.